Oh, we're back again. But Devin's learned how to feed himself. Right from the table. Let's show Nana and everyone else. Come on, you can do it. Just pretend the camera's not here. Good job, Devin! He's eating his Cheerios. You going for another one? Come on. There's two left. You can finish them up. Come on, you're making me look bad. Yeah? Devin, come on. Look at the Oreos. The Cheerios. Come on, pretend the camera's not here. I guess that means he's had enough. In any case, Devin has learned to pick up the Cheerio and cram it into his little mouth. The end.